Hypospadias with intact prepuce, HIP morphological variations and advances in surgical treatment. By Rajendran R., Beena S.V., Reshma K.R. Background: subsequent to the maiden description of megametres with intact prepuce, MIP, and the invention of the pyramid technique as its surgical solution, other researchers published discordant anatomical features in MIP. Other surgical techniques are proved more appropriate. Objectives: to perform a detailed analysis of the clinical characteristics of MIP and to audit our results of reconstructive surgeries on MIP. Methods: design, retrospective analysis. Setting: pediatric surgery departments of 2 tertiary care centers. Periods of simultaneous research: 9 years, 10 years, 9 months. Age, size of the penis, circumcision status, Caudy, glans penis, external urethral meatus, EUM, urethral plate, UP, distal native urethra, reconstructive surgery and its complications were analyzed. The post-operative result was objectively assessed by Hypospadias Objective Scoring Evaluation, HOSE. Key findings: a total of 20 patients showed the incidence of MIP as 2.72%. Their mean age was 45.75 months, range is equal to 12 to 120 months, 3 patients were pre-circumcised. Ventral caudy was present in 3, 15%. Glans penis was wide, shovel-like in 15, 75% cases, but conical shape in 5. The types of MIP were coronal, 10, subcoronal, 6, and granular, 4. The size of EUM was wide in 14, 70%, but normal in 6. UP was wide in the majority, 13 is equal to 65%, but others were of moderate width or narrow. In 2 cases of wide deep UP, the distal transverse septum was present. The distal native urethra was non-dilated in all but one, which had megaurethra. Tubularized urethral plate urethroplasty, TUPU, of Thiersch-Duplay was the technique of reconstruction in 9 cases including 3 pre-circumcised ones. Snodgrass tubularized incised plate urethroplasty, TIPU, was employed in 9 cases including the HIP megaurethra case. HIP megaurethra underwent partial excision of megaurethra and TIPU. Incision of distal UP septum was performed in 2 cases prior to UP tubularization. Glans approximation procedure, GAP, was the method of repair into granular MIP. In 3 cases, intraoperative injury to native distal urethra UP occurred. The mean follow-up period was 4.79 months, range is equal to 112 month. 5 post-operative complications occurred in 4 cases and 3 required reoperation. HOSE score greater than or equal to 14 was achieved in 17 out of 20 cases, which is a very satisfactory outcome. Discussion: the incidence of HIP is 3% to 6% among hypospadias. Congenital HIP should be distinguished from iatrogenic hypospadias before circumcision to avoid false allegation. The dorsal caudy and ventral caudy are found associated with HIP. The shape of the glans penis is not uniform, and EUM is not always distal, but recently midpenile HIP has also been diagnosed. EUM may have variable sizes. UP may be wide to narrow. The distal native urethra is undilated in the vast majority. Thus, a spectrum of anomalies is found in previously grouped cases of MIP. The term MIP is unsuitable for some such cases. HIP is suitable for all. Associated genitourinary anomalies are possible with HIP. The pyramid procedure is only rarely adopted by hypospadologists to reconstruct HIP. TIPU, TUPU, GAP, Matthews perimeatal flap, and MAGPI are commonly adopted corrective surgeries in suitable cases of HIP. Conclusion: Hypospadias with intact prepuce is a rare variant of hypospadias. Some such cases have no megameters and hence cannot be termed MIP, contrary to convention. All cases of hypospadias having intact prepuce can be covered by the umbrella term HIP. HIP has a spectrum of anomalies of penile curvature, glans penis, EUM, and UP. Significant dilatation of the distal urethra, megaurethra, is an occasional association with HIP. MIP is a large subgroup under HIP. Reconstruction of the HIP by tubularization of UP without or with a midline incision and superimposition layer or with MAGPI or perimeatal flap in selected cases gives excellent results. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.